Hi, this is Bill with Techno Gypsy. In this video, I'm going to show you the new digs that I've got as far as my new house, what all I've got, what I'm trying to set up, and we're going to start looking at just the basics here, and I'm going to take you along this journey as I get everything built on building up my studio and getting everything else changed and setting up Techno Productions. You can tell here behind me I have a 12-foot jib arm from Pro-Aim. I'm working on that. It is in my living room. It's going to work out pretty well. This is the Pro-Am jib 12-foot crane, and that is my Zillion 3 that I've mounted onto the end of it, and I'll be using that for the 1DX Mark II. You can tell I'm trying to get everything set up. It's a lot of work in here. It'll be a little bit of a mess, but let's go out back here. So now we're going to start out onto the backyard and take you out to this back building that you can see over here to the right. Kind of showing you around on the facilities here. The two-story building there is what is going to be used as the studio. The bottom floor is what we're going to go into in just a minute. The other building back here is the shop, which is going to also be used as a studio, and we will go through a lot of that stuff as to all the work on different projects going to build up and things to do here. Come down here, let's go over here, open the door and get the lights on. This is what this mess is basically looking like right now. You can tell up here on the ceilings, I've got to get the rest of the old fiberglass panels removed because I need to get to the bare joists up there and start hanging lights, getting things done. You can see that I've got quite a bit of room in here. It's going to end up being very nice as far as a studio. This up on the wall is going to be changed. I've got new mini splits coming on the air conditioning units, heat pump air conditioning. I've got to get all the ceiling taken care of. I'm going to mount drop lights up here, which I'll use baby pins and be able to probably use these KinoFlow knockoffs I got down here on the table that I'll be using to hang from the ceiling. And I do have this kind of nice bar looking area that I'm going to use that, put some lighting up in the back, and it's a fairly nice size studio that this will be fun with. Now back here, I have storage, which is, I've got to get the lights working, but this is basically just storage for stands and stuff like that, which will work out very well. So I think you can see that I've got quite a bit of work to do here, and it's going to be quite fun going through this whole process of making this into a studio and getting rid of these really crappy fluorescent lights that are up here. And we will get into having much better lighting on a studio lighting system, trying to get everything taken care of, and setting up for all of Technog Productions to get the studio capabilities set up and start knocking out a whole bunch of really good videos for you, my subscribers, again. So I'm gonna hop in there in just a minute and start tearing down more of the ceiling tiles and start trying to get everything ready to start putting up some of the baby pins and get all the lighting mounted and redo some wiring and stuff like that. So this is Bill the Techno Gypsy saying 7-3, God bless, and stay tuned because I'm going to keep you people all involved in what I'm doing here as I'm going through and building my studio up. Again, y'all take care. Talk to you later.